Okay. I mean, just now.
No trouble. Just, yeah, keep it running. Is it running now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we're back on this 2011 GMC Terrain. Applying our bead. You can see the Rolladeck tool is poised for install. On these models, just like the Equinox and the Chevy Traverse and some of the others with that underglass molding, you got to land these things just right, or you can have a mess and you won't get the proper decking, which is the case with most cars these days. Typically, on any flush mounts, like I've said before, equal to the height of the roof line is your desired bead height. Perfection is something that I always strive for. Customer safety and doing it right the first time should always be priority number one. Okay, beads applied, tools set up and in place. Now we're ready for the install. As I said before, we're under our carport, so it's kind of a low ceiling. It doesn't take much. Keep it to your center of your body. You have complete control of the glass. It ain't going to get away from you. Lean over the car, set the edge of the glass into the tool. Tool takes the weight. You roll it into place. You're suspended well above the bead, so you're not intruding it anywhere. You bring it down. Keep it from kicking out at the bottom with your right hand. As you gently lower it down with your left hand, use your line of sight for placement. Place it on that side, place it on this side, let go, you're done. All the weight is done. You just center it in the opening. Position your temporary tape. The only place that the adhesive has made contact is at the top. Everywhere else, sides and bottom, as you can see, the glass is well supported above the bead. No intrusion anywhere. Loosen your set screws. Back the tool. Drop the glass and you're done. Just press it in. That's another textbook Rolladeck installation. When precision counts, or when precision matters the most, or when precision is a must, it's the Rolladeck you can trust.